Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave but gentle knight with shiny blue armor and a kind smile, lived in a sunny meadow filled with colorful flowers and buzzing bees. His best friend was a small, bright green dragon named Sparky. Sparky had tiny, adorable wings and big, curious eyes. One sunny morning, after a gentle rain shower, the meadow was dotted with sparkling puddles. Sparky was happily hopping along when he suddenly stopped. He saw something moving in a puddle. It was green, just like him, but it looked scary. It had big eyes staring back at him. Sparky let out a little squeak and hid behind Sir Reginald. "What is it, little friend?" Sir Reginald asked gently, looking down at the trembling dragon. Sparky pointed a shaky claw at the puddle. "The water dragon. It's looking at me." Sir Reginald chuckled softly. He knelt beside the puddle and looked in. "Sparky," he said, "that's not a water dragon. That's you." Sparky tilted his head, confused. Sir Reginald smiled and gently dipped his armored hand into the puddle, making a splash. The water dragon in the puddle splashed too. Sparky giggled. Sir Reginald splashed again, and the reflection copied him. Soon both Sir Reginald and Sparky were happily stomping and splashing in the puddles. Sparky saw his reflection jump and dance with him. He wasn't scared anymore. He realized the water dragon was just him, looking back from the shiny water. As the sun began to dry the puddles, Sir Reginald and Sparky sat on a patch of soft green grass. "You see, Sparky," Sir Reginald said kindly, "sometimes things look a little different, but they are still familiar, just like your reflection in the water." Sparky nodded, smiling. He learned that even if something seems strange at first, it might just be a different way of seeing something he already knows. And sometimes a little splash of fun can help you understand something new.
Please subscribe. Thank you.